This is my secret to taking super curly hair super smooth, using my new favorite AIMIKE Round Brushes. After cleansing and hydrating, I apply a lightweight mousse, remove some excess moisture, then zone out my sections for maximum control. I'm using the AIMIKE NaturaVol brushes in different sizes. The smaller barrel creates more lift and bend, while the larger size gives a smoother, softer finish. The new, longer barrel also holds wider sections, making the blow dry faster and easier to control. Starting in the nape, I work upward towards the crown in large, controlled sections. I'm using the medium NaturaVol brush because it gives me enough tension to stretch and smooth the curl on both the top and underneath of each section, while keeping the root volume low and creating soft movement through the ends. I finish each section with cool air to set the shape before moving on. I repeat the same process through both front sides, working in controlled sections and smoothing from roots to ends. What I really like about the NaturaVol brushes is the balance between grip and glide. They hold the hair securely enough to create tension, but still move smoothly without catching or pulling. The longer barrel also makes it easier to control wider sections and keep the finish even and super polished. These brushes make it so easy to create silky, smooth hair on really hard to blow dry curls. Through the top zone, I switch to the large AIMIKE NaturaVol brush because the wider barrel gives me a smoother finish, softer movement and less curl through the ends. Taking horizontal sections, I direct the hair forward over the face to create a modern, low volume shape. For more lift and volume, you would simply direct the hair back in the opposite direction. For the bangs, I switch to the small brush just through the ends, giving me the control to create a soft, precise bend without adding too much curl. What I love about this brush is the combination of firm, flexible bristles and a lightweight, balanced handle. The bristles hold the section securely and smooth every strand, while the handle gives me effortless control and makes the brush comfortable to use throughout the entire blow dry. Follow me for more professional hair tutorials and follow AIMIKE to discover the brushes I use to create this finish. All links are in the description below. So this is the before, super curly bob, and here's the finished result. Super shiny and super smooth. Next, I'll show you how to create a big bouncy 90s blowout using the AIMIKE round brushes. To make sure you follow both of us for the next tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you my top tips for creating a big effortless blowout using the AIMIKE blowout brushes.